Kumar sir, and I have built a project named Disasterops for a hackathon named Algofest, which is organized on Devpost platform. So now I am going to give you a small demo or description of this project named Disasterops. So why I named it Disasterops? This is basically a real-time relief resource allocation. This is a very handy tool very handy tool which helps in case or in the situation of disaster. Suppose if there is a flood or earthquake, so at that time you can get a real-time map or a real-time map for this or optimized routes which optimizes routes destinations for relief centers or active zones. So basically this project Disasterops uses React or basically Next.js frontend for giving you a like graph like or map like interface which you can see here. Like here are some of the red here shows the active zones and these are the relief centers. So this basically provides you with an map like interface, and it gives you a basic idea of like what are the active zones, what are the relief centers, what are the active routes to that relief centers. I have used Next.js for the front end part of this project, and I have used Fast API or Python for the backend routes of this project. So in this project, like you can see, it provides you like a complete map, and it provides you the shortest path to relief centers and gives you an idea of active routes, like what are the active routes to reach those relief centers, and what are the disaster zones, like what are the zones, what is the area which you have to stay away, and how you can reach help. This is basically an open source tools which you can see here. Like if on the left side you can see in the left tab bar I have added a disaster zone. Any user can add any type of disaster zone which he or she thinks this area might be in impact of a disaster. And then we have deploy resources button. This helps you to deploy resources or add some resources which is available for any of the relief centers, which basically reduces the work of any person, and any person can like see if they want any resource in that situation, they can contact that relief center or reach that relief center with the active or shortest path provided by this application named Disasterops. Okay, so now we can see here these are all the features I have integrated. Here you can see the analytics part. Okay, now I have integrated a small guide for people. Like here you can see how to use this application for your safety. Okay, here is your like welcome to disaster, then here is the operations map, there is your relief centers. Further, here are all the features integrated which are integrated in this project. So I have actually the theme of the hackathon was to build something on using data structures and algorithms knowledge. So I have used dynamic programming, Dijkstra algorithm for calculating the shortest path from your position to the relief centers, and linear programming, and also I have used some like all the disaster zones are like denoted as graphs, and all the relief centers denoted as nodes. So I have also used some concepts of graphs in this project. So this is one of like feature to get an idea of this like project. Okay, now you can see here is the operations map or map like interface. The second one is your demo control, which you can see how you can use at this situation. And the third one is performance analytics, the operations or any type of alerts which you can get here, like if there is a new relief center or there is a new disaster center. Okay, this is all about my project. This can be a good project, helpful in case of disasters. So here you can see my GitHub on which my project is like available. You can start this GitHub or fork or recommend any feature which I can integrate, and this is the deployed version link of this project. Thank you.